Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful look, and if you want to know how I did it, then continue watching. Did my brows off camera, and now I'm going in with Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids using hard candy translucent powder. And I'm just going to use that and pat it all around my eyelid. Going in with the Morphe by James Charles palette, and I'm using that bright shade of pink as my base and transitioning shade. Going back in that same palette, and I'm taking that bright pink, and I'm just going to apply that in my outer V and right around my cut crease. I'm going to blend that together so we don't have any harsh lines, but I still want the pink to kind of show and continue to look vibrant. Using Juvia's Place Zulu palette, going in with that purple, and I'm going to start blending that in with the pink. So I continue to blend the purple and pink together so I can create that blended color that I was looking for. Going back in with James Charles palette, and I'm using that brown shade, and I'm just going to blend that around my cut crease to darken the purple a little bit more and intensify the look around that area. So I'll just keep blending that all in and out at the same time. Going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use that to create my cut crease. So I did not like the shape of that cut crease, so I knew that I had to make it a little bit bigger so that my eyes kind of look a little bit wide, even though they're not. But yeah, I wanted to make it a little bit bigger so that the colors that I'm going to add in the cut crease would be more visible. So going back in with that purple, and I'm going to use that in my outer V to kind of intensify the purple color. And I'm going to also use that brown in my outer V as well to make that purple even more darker. I'm using that Festival palette, and I actually didn't use all those three colors. I just actually used the darker shade of that orange because the brighter ones were not giving me the pop that I was looking for. So I just used that one dark shade of orange, and I'm just putting that in the middle part of the cut crease, and it will kind of complement the purple that's in the outer V. I am going back in with that James Charles palette, and I'm using the yellow in my inner corners to kind of brighten up the whole entire cut crease. And that is it. So I just blend everything together so we don't have harsh lines in that cut crease. I did my other eye and the rest of my face off camera. So now I'm just doing my eyeliner and my lashes so you guys can see. So that is it, guys. Cleaned up the rest of the residue off my face, and this is how the whole entire look turned out. I was really happy with it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this whole entire look. Until next time, it is goodbye and God bless.